CISF has decided to raise a all-women battalion, and the process for recruitment and training for this Mahila battalion has already begun. Home Minister Amit Shah has congratulated the CISF for such a decision and said in his post on social media that this decision will give further encouragement to women who want to contribute to the cause of nation building. Now, CISF already has a 7% strength as far as females are concerned. Because of this Mahila battalion decision, that is likely to go up by another 1%. Like I said, already the process of recruitment has begun. There will be proper training that these females in CISF who will be freshly recruited, they will have to undergo. There is a center in Tamil Nadu where women in CISF so far have undergone training. That training center is likely to host the new recruits as well. When asked as to why the need was felt for a Mahila battalion, what was pointed out is that even though in current CISF units also there is a presence of women. For example, I am at Raisina Hills, where there are a number of government officers. There's North Block on my right, South Block on my left, and these have CISF women sentries guarding the gate. Similarly, if you go to the Delhi airport or any airport in the country, you will find CISF personnel on frisking duty, on baggage duty. At Delhi Metro also and other metro installations across the country too, there is presence of women. But wherever there is a requirement felt for more presence of more women personnel, often what CISF senior officers said is that often they have to depend on units to draw out more women from their force, and it takes time to get together these women personnel and make them reach the point where their requirement is. A specific CISF battalion would mean that you would then know that this is where the battalion is stationed. Women personnel are available and they can reach point X to point Y in this much time. So it will be better logistically, it will be more uniform as far as CISF's own planning is concerned. And the idea itself apparently came from Union Home Minister in 2022 at the CISF Day celebration of the Central Paramilitary Force. Is there a similar precedent? Yes, there is. The CRPF has a Bastaria battalion. The Bastaria battalion in fact was drawn by CRPF from Bastar itself. As the name itself suggests, these are all tribal women who have lived in Bastar, who have often been victimized by the Naxal menace in Chhattisgarh. So from there, the Bastaria battalion was created by the CRPF. These women were successfully trained, and it gave a roadmap for the other battalions as well. CISF is now joining that rich legacy that paramilitary forces have set out, whereas there is no fixed timeline as yet as to how soon this battalion will be made operational. The mood within the paramilitary forces and here in the Ministry of Home Affairs is to get this going as soon as possible. So by early next year, perhaps you could see the recruitment and the training process being completed and the battalion getting operational. This battalion will add to the overall strength of the CISF, taking up their overall strength also by 1% or perhaps more.